World Meteorological Day celebrated? March 23rd. When is World Ozone Day? September 16. From where clima or climate, the word is derived? From Greek, meaning slope or inclination. The different atmospheric layers are given as a picture here. You can see the troposphere, which is very close to the surface of the earth. And you know, children, all the weather changes occurs in the troposphere, followed by stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and the last one is the exosphere. Children, you would have learned the solar system with the sun at its center and 8 planets orbiting around it, isn't it? So, sun is the only source of light to all the planets in the solar system. What is the source of light for all the planets? It is the sun. The land, water and air in our planet receives heat from the sun. We get heat and light from the sun. Earth receives heat energy from the sun in the form of radiation. How will Earth receive the rays? As radiation. Radiation is the process of giving off energy in the form of waves or particles. That is energy that comes from a source and travels through space at the speed of light. So Earth gets sun's energy as heat and light in the form of radiation. Hence it is called as solar radiation. The earth receives heat energy from the sun in the form of radiation. So it is called as solar radiation. What is the source of light to all the planets in solar system? It is the sun. And what is it called as? It is called as solar radiation. The heat energy from the sun in the form of radiation is called as solar radiation. The next picture shown here is the greenhouse effect. Sun's rays falling on the earth is reflected. It is bounced back. Like you bounce a ball on the wall, you hit a ball on the wall, what happens? It comes back. Same way it is reflected. The sunlight falling on the earth is reflected back. Now what happens is there are gases like carbon dioxide, then methane, then ozone in the atmosphere will trap the heat like a blanket. It will trap the heat inside without allowing it to go out, keeping the earth warm. The earth becomes warmer. So what is a greenhouse effect, children? Sunlight falling on the earth's surface gets reflected in all the directions. Carbon dioxide, methane, ozone. These gases in the atmosphere trap the heat, keeping the earth warm. This is known as the greenhouse effect.